What makes a good tool? It's one that makes your life easier. This is the adjustable mortise jig and tenon system, and I use it for creating mortise and tenon joints. For 7,000 years, the method of creating mortise and tenon joints have remained the same. They require precision, time, and years to master. Wouldn't it be great if creating a mortise and tenon joint was easier, faster, and more accurate? I sure thought so. I spent the last 2 years re-engineering and designing the method of creating mortise and tenon joints from the ground up, creating a totally new method that removes complexity and maximizes joinery capabilities with an adjustable mortise jig and tenon system that includes alignment tabs, indexing tabs, mounting holes, and an adaptable tenon fastener that fit together perfectly. I created a tool and system I believe revolutionizes the mortise and tenon joint. A tool designed for your workshop with robust, easy-to-use alignment and indexing features, rapidly allowing you to set the size of your mortise and instantly secure a mounting connection. The result is the fastest mortise and tenon setup and joinery method ever created. Intuitive and low-profile mortise jig adjustment slots, no guessing what size you need, how far to make your mortise tenon offset, just one precision engineered jig and tenon for simple and easy joinery. Exceptional strength for small or large builds. A beautiful, unmistakable, adjustable mortise jig and tenon system. Available in steel blue, matte black 1/4-inch steel tenons, or steel blue and raw, lightweight 1/8-inch steel tenons. If you want to help me simplify and modernize the mortise and tenon joint, consider backing this project.